Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal January, day 31. I can't believe we're already at our final prompt for this year's 2025 Junk Journal January. So let's grab our junk journal and get creative. Today's prompt is letter. So let's have a little flip through of my junk journal and find one of the empty pages I could use for today's prompt. And there were kind of only two options, and I decided to use the final page in the journal. That is a little small one, and I had one of my envelopes from a Christmas card saved up because I thought the pattern and the color was really pretty, and that one was kind of the perfect thing to include in this spread for the day, to make something related to the topic of letters. And here I decided I wanted to have the little embellishment on the bottom of the envelope peeking through, even though I'm gluing the envelope on top of the brown craft paper. So I decided to get out some scissors and cut the craft paper to size, but it was quite difficult because the paper is from a bag from a shipment or something, and it's really heavy, sturdy paper. So I had a bit of a difficult time cutting into the paper, as well as getting the hard hole punch through that I'm fighting here. But now I finally got it, because I just really wanted to have the old book page peeking through at least a bit that I had glued to the envelope, and then now I'm just adding some more old book pages to make a bit of a collage. Just to decorate this spread, and then we still have to do something to put inside the envelope for the letter of the day. And I'm really happy that we stick to every day of this Junk Journal January challenge, and I'm really proud for what we created here on a daily basis. I'm really sure you enjoyed the process with all the lovely comments you left on all the videos. Thank you so much for enjoying this journey with me. It was so much fun, and I can't wait to share the whole journal with all of you tomorrow. Here I'm just adding some more details to the spread, and also the day 31 little button for today. How did your Junk Journal January challenge went? Are you already on the finish line, or do you still are going strong? Like I said in a few of the other videos, take your time. There's no need to have everything completed today. You can also go into February with the prompts. They are just there to have an inspiration on what to create, and I feel like you don't have to be too hard on yourself to put too much pressure on yourself to create everything in the right timeline. And here I'm just adding a bunch of these kiss lips kind of stamps, and yeah, I had so much fun creating these daily little creative adventures with all of you and share my daily journaling process. Here I'm just kind of writing a little letter to myself to include into the envelope here. And yeah, I'm really proud of all of us for completing this daily creative challenge, and I'm so happy how this journal came together and how the complete challenge went, and it was so much fun to get creative on a daily basis. And I can't wait to dive into our new creative challenge and adventure with the February sketchbook challenge, but more about that after we do take a look and a little tour of my Junk Journal January completed journal tomorrow. So make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any fun creative adventures to come. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. And until then, happy creating. See you very soon.